Two people touch electricity, same voltage level, same body condition. One survives, the other may not. Why? Hello makers, in this video we will see a scenario in which two peoples exposed to electric power. Imagine two persons with identical conditions. Same voltage, same environment. Person 1 touches with one hand, whereas person 2 touches with two hands. Which one do you think will die first? Let me know on the comment section. First, let's see when electricity is touched using only one hand. In this condition, the electric current enters the body at that single contact point. Electricity always looks for a path to leave the body, usually through the ground. But with only one hand involved, the current does not automatically get a straight path across the chest. Instead, it tends to travel through nearby tissues, such as the arm, shoulder, or upper body, before finding a return path. Because of this limited path, the electric current does not easily pass through the heart. This does not mean it is safe. Muscles can still lock, nerves can still be damaged, and serious injury can still happen. However, the chance of the current crossing the heart is reduced, and that makes a critical difference in survival. This is why electricians and trained technicians follow the one-hand rule when working near live circuits. If electricity is touched using both hands, the situation becomes far more dangerous. The electric current now enters the body through one hand and naturally tries to exit through the other hand. Electricity always follows the shortest and easiest path. With both hands involved, that path runs straight across the chest, and directly in that path lies the heart. As the current travels from hand to hand, it passes through the chest muscles, the lungs, and most critically, the heart's electrical system. Even a small amount of current flowing through the heart can disrupt its rhythm, cause muscle lock, or stop it completely. This is why a two-hand electric shock is considered one of the most dangerous scenarios when working with electricity. Let's clear a very common confusion. Voltage creates the push. It is like the pressure in a water pipe. Current is the flow. It is the amount of electricity actually moving through the body. The human body is not damaged by voltage itself. Damage happens when current flows through vital organs. The heart is especially sensitive. Even a small amount of current passing through it can disturb its natural electrical rhythm. Higher voltage does not kill on its own. What it does is make it easier for more current to flow through the body by overcoming resistance. So the real danger is not the number on the voltage label, but how much current is allowed to pass through your body. Many makers think low voltage is safe, but in wet conditions or metal tools, even lower voltage can allow dangerous current. Always try to use the one-hand rule. Keep one hand away from the circuit. Use insulated tools. Electricity has no second chances. Knowledge is your best protection. Share this with every maker. Thank you for your time.